So this is my GoPro Hero 5 that has a water inside the front screen, but yet it is still working fine, and I can still turn it on and take some picture or videos. But after a couple of months, this GoPro of mine got broken. It got a black screen, but the good thing was GoPro replaced it, even though my warranty is already over for 3 months. So today I will talk about how we can avoid this issue, and I will share my ways on how to protect your GoPro and avoid damaging and safely using it on water. So we have my new GoPro here, so I will quickly talk about how the water got inside the screen. So I suspect that the water came in this battery side of the GoPro in here. So let me show you guys where it is. Here, if you don't properly close this battery cover, the water will surely get inside in this part. And the main reason why you can't properly close this is because of a salt. This is from the ocean water. Second is it might be a sand if you happen to expose it to sand. Sand will easily get stuck but hard to get off the GoPro. And another reason is obviously I didn't use any water housing while using it on water, because of course we got a better image while there is no water housing. So now you know guys why the water got inside my GoPro. So let's talk about how to maintain your GoPro. First was to avoid dropping it on sand, because it will stuck on your cover and may damage when opening and closing, and might lead to what happened to my GoPro. Second is to always wash your GoPro to tap water after using it on the ocean, because this water will become salt inside your GoPro and may also again lead to same to what happens to mine. Third will be to use a wetsuit or water housing. We know that GoPro already is waterproof, but please don't 100% trust it, especially when doing action sports and on waters. Second reason is to avoid scratches to your GoPro and will still looks good after use. Fourth is to avoid putting your GoPro to a wet bag. If you have a GoPro bag or any bag where you will going to store your GoPro while traveling or after use, please don't put it, because GoPro might moist inside and may cause the screen or other parts of the GoPro get wet and will damage it, or just like what happened to my GoPro again. Fifth is to use GoPro customer support. So if you happen to have a problem with your GoPro, I strongly suggest to talk to customer support for them to provide an official solution and to avoid adding more damage to your GoPro. And because I talked to them, and because of that, my GoPro was replaced even though my warranty is already over for 3 months. So I strongly suggest talk to GoPro's customer support. Sixth will be to use a faster memory card. When I bought my GoPro, I got a free 32 gig of memory, but my GoPro always freeze when using a high settings. So I was thinking it was because of memory card, and after upgrading to a new one, a faster one, I didn't have the freezing issue anymore. The last or the seventh one is to avoid updating your GoPro using a Wi-Fi or using your phone app. If you happen to have a PC or laptop, please use it to update your GoPro rather than your Wi-Fi, because a lot of my friends that their GoPro got damaged after updating using their mobile app or through Wi-Fi. Well, me, I didn't update my through Wi-Fi, so I didn't experience it. The main reason of this is because it will have a high percentage of disconnection while the update is ongoing, and that will lead to damage your GoPro chips. So that's all, guys. I hope I was able to help you and give you good information about my GoPro experience and ways to maintain my GoPro. So happy shooting and God bless.